Hello, hi, this is Imtiaz. Today I'm going to talk about software testing lifecycle. So, this testing lifecycle talks about how we are going to, uh, what is the process of testing. First, what we'll do next, what is the next step like that. So, in this first re- requirement gathering, some people they'll talk about requirement gathering or requirement analysis. In this phase, we'll collect the requirement, whatever what is the requirement of the project. So in the last class, whatever I told, the business analyst will take all the requirement document and he will he will provide that he'll provide the requirement document to the project team. So this is the first step in the software testing lifecycle. So this contains the all the test cases or scenarios, and also it contains the wireframes, wire wireframes nothing but the screenshots, how in which screen, how which are the buttons, how those buttons should be placed, which color, everything. And second thing is test planning. Test planning test planning nothing but so after you got the requirement documents, you project manager project project manager prepare the prepare pre- prepare the test plan. Test plan contains all the things which are going to perform in the project, like from beginning, like what is the scope, what is the objective, how many people will be there, what are the softwares, how many testing people will be there, how many manual, how many automation, all those things it will mention in the test plan. Third is test case development. Test case development nothing but in the requirement document, whatever the things are defined, that will write in a test case. Like for example, you in test case nothing but a end-to-end scenario, from where you need to start and when you need to end. I'll talk detail in the test case session. So simple test case is nothing but in the requirement you mention. I'll take one real example. You mention uh, 2 bedrooms. So the test case nothing but go to flat, open the flat, and validate 2 bedrooms are there or not. This is one scenario. So all this test case you are going to write in the test case document. Sometimes some people they write in a BGD format. Some will write in a test case format. So I am going to talk in detail in the test case session. And the fourth one is environment setup. Environment nothing but for example, there are 4 QA or testers. There are 4 testers. So we need to which are the software required for each tester. For QA1, what software required? Software is nothing but software is nothing but operating system, OS, and Outlook. Outlook. For example, if he's testing API testing, you required Swagger or SOAP UI. So all the softwares which are required for the testers, so everything will set up in his machine before starting the testing. So once the setup is done, fifth is test case execution. Test case execution nothing but whatever the test cases you have written here, as I told in the test case. Here test case we have written: go to flat, open the flat, validate 2 bedrooms are there. These are the test case you written. So same thing we are going to perform by a manual person. Perform nothing but you manually go and check, go to flat, open the flat, and check whether 2 bedrooms are there or not. That is nothing but a test case execution. And test case closure. What are the test case? For example, you have written 50 test cases. Okay, you have written 50 test cases. So while you performing the execution, have you completed all the 50 test cases, or is there any test case remaining? All those things you're going to check, and you need to close all the test cases. Close nothing but you need to perform all the test case execution. So that is nothing but a test case closure. Hope you understood all these things. So once again I will go from the beginning. So whenever you want to do the manual testing, there is a software testing life cycle. That software testing life cycle nothing but a process. To do one thing, what is a process? So if you follow the process, you'll achieve the goal. So similarly in the manual testing also there is a process. So first gathering the requirement gathering analysis, sometimes people, and in requirement gathering we'll collect all the documents from the BA will send the requirement document. Then in that requirement document there will be a single line scenarios, or some people write a detailed BDD format, the scenario end to end, and he will provide the wireframe also. And test planning, as I told, the test plan is done by the project manager. Test plan, this is a document actually. So this is prepared by the manager. It contains all the detail about the project. So test case is nothing but a use case. Test case, use case, or scenario. All these terms are same. So use case, test case, or scenario nothing but a end-to-end steps you need to capture in one document. You have to write. And environment nothing but you need to set up your systems, all the, for example, 4 QAs are there. You need to set up all the software before execution of the test. Before setting up the environment, you cannot execute the scenario, because if you don't have machine, how you perform the action, performing the test cases. Closure of test case, nothing but 5 test cases are there, so you need to close the test cases. So that's it. If you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment section, as well as you like this video, so that and also you can share the video to your friends and relatives, so that they also can benefit with this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.